Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you the laptop cooler. This one here, I've been using it with my laptop, the Acer that I've been using for the past years actually, because back then I didn't have the desktop ones, and I had to use something. So this one here, of course, is not made by a very respectable brand like the Cooler Master, Asus, or other brands. There is making this kind of coolers for the standoff coolers for the laptops. Of course, it's made by Hengtai, and according to what it says right here, of course, it's pirate. It's not something original, of course. But I do like the fact that the company that made this kind of thing was the plastic quality and all of that. They're all in good condition, and he lasted over the years with no problems. So as you can see right here, we have the connections for the two entrances for the USB. All you need is the straight USB in order to connect the the cooler laptop to your USB ports on your machine, of course. And right here we have the 5 levels that you can lift this cooler accordingly to your preferences, of course. And right here there's another locking mechanism that is made by plastic, and of course you can adjust from here and lower the laptop even further. And on the back it looks nothing fancy, nothing, just the way you see it. Of course, I will show you there is the metal shroud that is painted with white paint right here in this area, and yeah. This one is the metal shroud that I was telling you about. It's painted white, and is having is this part right here on this layout. There is, yeah. And the problem with this cooler is after over the years that I've been using it, of course the cooler eventually failed. So this one was I believe there is 200 millimeter, and it's having the RGB light on it on each side, just like the Raid Max. It has those big LEDs, but of course you can call it the RGB because it's lighting up. And I do remember that this one was very noisy. Unfortunately, since it's gone and is not working anymore, because the cable, I believe that it had a short. I do not have the straight cable anymore. But all you need to do is just having at both sides the male USB, and after that you don't have to connect it from here and then to the USBs, like I said before. In order to remove, back to what I said before, in order to remove the metal shroud, all you have to do is just undo these clips right here. That is present right here. It has five on this side, and on the back there is another 4 clips that you can undo. These guys, of course, and after that you just the entire shroud will pop up out. This is the only way that you can replace the fan that is not working anymore, of course. Right here we see that we're having the rubber feet. This one is rubber, I believe it's rubber with something else because it's feeling soft. This one is, of course, is preventing your cooler from slippering when you put it on a glossy glossy surface or a surface or anything like that. It has only 2 of them instead of 4, and yeah, this is it from this angle. Now on the front we see that we're having right here these are 2 tabs on each side right here. This is a button with something, I believe this is also the plastic or something else. That is soft. Of course, it has to be soft because not to preventing the scratches from your laptop, or yeah. So all you have to do is just it's having right here these marks, and all you have to just put it right here, and after that you're gonna slide to the left and it will click. And if you hear this click, of course it will this one is mean that is locked, of course. And if you want to adjust to, let's say they're having a smaller laptop, you can use you can use this part right here. And the same thing goes for the other tab button that is put it right here, and you're gonna want to lock this thing to the left or to the right according to your preferences. In my case, I'm going to lock this one to the right, of course, and this one I'm going to move it right here. I believe this one is made for the 17-inch laptop ones, and so you can make an idea. I'm going to show you how the laptop will stand here. I hope I will not drop my laptop because it's very heavy. Oh my god. Okay, so right here, as you can see, it's perfectly stable. I'm not sure if it's 17-inch or less, but I believe this one, but it actually worked for me very nicely over the years that I've been using it. Yeah, so if you look on the sides, there's still a part that is going outside of the cooler, but the machine stays right here very stiff, and there is no movement, which is great in my opinion. So yeah, this is the laptop that I was telling you about. And another option, let's say this is another cooler. This is made by Sirius. I'm going to show you. Of course, it's made by Sirius, as you can see right here. It's upside down, pardon. This one here, I've been using it with the other laptop that I had. I don't remember exactly, but I had a very, I believe there is the Dell Inspiron or something, yeah. And this one was even cheaper than this one, the hang tie that is using right here for the Acer. And when I purchased it from the market, the electronics market, I paid like 20 euros or so. Yeah, this one was actually even cheaper. So I've been using it for the with the Dell Inspiron, of course, and this one was pop up. No, it's not popping up. No, all you have to do is just move like the way you see like here. It does look like a drone uh, from my perspective, but I'm going to show you what it does like this. And of course, it has at the end it has the terminal. You can actually use one USB, the male, and right here there is a female that you can install another USB. Let's say you want to plug in this one in your USB right here, that is located right here, and in the other you can use it for the mouse. Yeah, anyway. And unfortunately, one of the fan pillars that you can see right here is broken, and of course the entire axle that is holding this one is, as you can see right here, is not stable. So the producer, they made sure that after this one will fail, all you have to do is just drop it to the trash and all of that. So these ones normally that they're supposed to take it off, clean it up, and then put it back together, and you're having a functional fan again, just like the other ones that I made for the power supply. And yeah, but unfortunately this one is since it's very cheap, of course they've been using the very cheap materials, and yeah, probably that's the reason they made this one. And another aspect that you can see, there are no screws that you can remove from here. So all you have to do is just drop the entire thing to the trash. Yeah. The very important thing that you can use this one, I've been using the caps for the fan. You see the caps, it's just something. All you have to do is just, in order to have the ventilation, you have to put it up on the something more taller, as you can see. So if using the four of these on each corner, all four corners, you'll have the cooler fan lifter up, and after that you'll blow the air to your motherboard. Yeah, that's the reason. So yeah, anyway, this is how the Sirius used to look like on the older times, and of course on the older machines. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my video. See you in the part of the video when I'll be testing this machine in 3D Mark, 3D Mark 2000, 2001, and a couple of the games. I do remember that I played, pardon, the Dead Space 1 on this machine, and it worked fine. I'm not sure if it will run Crysis on it, but anyway. See you in the part 2 of the video when I'll be testing the games and other apps for this machine. Yeah, thank you for watching once again, and see you in the part 2. Bye.